Good morning, Uttamnagar. Good morning, Kheda Park. Good morning, Delhi. Good morning, India. It is nearly 7, I think. Yeah, exactly 7. Yeah. And I just made my stalling to be finished like that. It is the turn particularly of the sanitation. It not here. And this area today I would like to just earmark because of the region. Things, debris, just openly seen here. And one bad thing is there. One of the cat died maybe out of cold, or maybe somebody would have actually thrown it here. This is what everyone has to just face. Maybe animal, maybe birds, maybe human. Those who are born, certainly they are likely to be cremated, or just I can say it about that, buried like that. Despite all the thing reality known to everyone, people simply think, let there be something that is to be just possessed, you can see here. And that is to be really supposed to be harnessed, and besides that, made everything to be just neat, not neat and clean, to be just utilized for the sake of happiness like that, you can see. Somewhere from this particular plant, Crow actually call maybe his company or its company, but it is not being seen. But amid thickness of the green plant, blackberry or jamun, or I just assume it to be so, it is perhaps Arjuna, but not completely so because of darkness. From here you can listen to the very sound of crow. This is how life is actually just ticking and giving person inspiration so long as you are living there over here. Must make your life of utility. Not of utility, not of just actually killing it or not of murdering it, but of benefiting it, but of inspiring it, but of helping the people, particularly in the need, you can see. No question, 1 week ago or just beyond that, this particular area actually was drenched out of rain, and still rainwater is available here. This shows logging, and logging, maybe because of the region it has got some depth here. This is what is there. Welcome you friend here. Besides that, one usual things are there, debris on the road, excreta of dogs, stray or maybe tamed. This is how life continues, you can see. Amid dirt, amid compote. I see particularly this plant just standing covered with fog. Looks nice. This light too is very nice. Women wing, especially of yoga, they are returning from the temple because of the region. They have selected the spot or loft for the sake of the couch, for the sake of the region. You can see here. This area today seems to be empty. Maybe because of the region, Monday being working day. Nobody seen except stones that I pointed out yesterday. The same dog standing there, not standing, sitting for the sake of the welcoming of some company or maybe some human being from whom it can get some food or maybe some petting or maybe some love and affection like that. This truck yesterday was left to make it to be covered. Today I would like to just cover it. This jungle jalebi stands both. This is because of the region it is standing. Had it been erected, certainly it would have been cut. This plum too is standing, and this is the time particularly of fruiting, and this is how this will be there. It's not here. I do think so. Person comes and goes, chats, pets and bats. This is how combat of life continues. Now I'm just reaching towards the very loft from where I had to just collect, or I will have to collect cleaning device from Chowkidar of the park, Mr. Suresh. He came after the gap of a few ditch, so I couldn't see him, but right now I am seeing him. And this blanket, ये blanket किसका है? किसी आदमी
बादल गरज रहे हैं,
बादल तो
एक दो बूंद गिर रहा है।
बारिश होने का चांसेस हैं.
हाँ, बादल इसलिए ठंडा कम है।
अच्छा, this much. Thank you.